Hello, passengers of the airplane. We are here today to fly to Crystal Island. You're leaving Pokeland, or Littlest Pet Shop Land, or Ponyville, or Equestria. And you're visiting this very crystallized place. And no, it is not the Crystal Empire. It is the Crystal Island. You're not supposed to, you are supposed to take some of the crystals from there. So yeah. That was a lot of information. Oh great, we're starting. Passengers, please stay in your seat. Oh great, we're starting to move. Ow! Whatever. Okay, I see that some of you fell over. Are you okay? Yes, we're fine. Good. Now just relax and enjoy the trip. I hate that. I don't care if this is a public plane or not. All I care is that I get this stupid head off me. Are you even filming this? Get off the camera! Okay, we gladly got him off the camera. Okay, fine. I'll go back to my seat. I promise I won't attack the camera again. Ever. Okay. Okay. We are okay, Teal. We are 100% okay. I have failed hang gliding, so I'm just gonna stay here. Do we have a seat anywhere? Oh, there. Like to be alone. Whatever. Gotta leave my tail safe. They and